Principle number 6. The universe fits on the tip of a marker. Now we talk about the visual principles. Those are principles that really make the Neurographica process unique. So how can we fit the entire universe onto the tiny tip of our markers? I'm going to draw a little marker here. Okay. So Pavel says that we can literally draw anything that we can think of. We can understand the marker as an extension of ourselves, of our minds, of our thoughts, even of our soul. And because the Neurographica language is universal, it works with very universal elements that are not specific to any language or specific to any culture. That means it has no limitations. I can literally describe anything in that language because I decide what any of my elements mean, just like we learned in the beginning. So everything I know, everything I feel, even things that I can't explain or things that I don't know, I can still put them onto the paper. So sometimes, for example, in a drawing, it just feels like there is another element there and I don't really know what it is. I can still put that on the piece of paper, even if I have no idea what it means. So we can bring as much detail as we want into the drawing, and we can literally draw the microcosm, like go into super detail, or draw the macrocosm and literally find a figure for the universe. So if I can think of it, if I can have this image in my mind, then I can also draw it on my piece of paper and create this image of the entire universe on my piece of paper. So anything I can think of or imagine, I can bring onto the paper. So here, what is the main idea is that it's really about my imagination. Well, anything that I can imagine, I can draw. I'm going to write imagination. That is the important point here. And so I can discover myself. I can discover the universe inside me. And I can literally experience myself as an extension of the universe, as a part of and a reflection of the universe. And then I can bring it onto my piece of paper. So this is how the entire universe fits on the tip of my marker.